In this video, I'm going to show you how to invite friends to party on Call of Duty Warzone Mobile. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Call of Duty Warzone Mobile. Now in here, go ahead and click on the top right corner of your screen presented by a menu icon. Now go ahead and click on the social. And here, go ahead and click on the party section. Now click on the add friends to be able to add friends to your party and invite them on your party. So in this section, you can go ahead and click on the share link button to be able to share your link with your friends in different social media platforms to be able to invite them to your party on Call of Duty Warzone Mobile. You can also broadcast invite by clicking on the broadcast icon. This will allow you to broadcast friend invite by joining channels on Call of Duty Warzone Mobile. So just go ahead and select the channel where you want to send your broadcast invite to, and you'll be able to invite people to join your party. And that's how you can simply invite friends to party on Call of Duty Warzone Mobile. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.